Still here with some swirly bread. Pepperidge Farms. We get some bread out. Eddie Crocker whipped buttercream here. Guacamole, and we got some spinach dip. Okay, so we'll try a little bit there. If I portion this out right, we'll do 1/3 each thing. Okay, so here's our swirly bread. Pepperidge Farm cinnamon with the spinach dip. Not too bad. Try some guacamole dip. This stuff is a little bit reactionary. It's gonna heat up a little bit. It's starting to roar right now. Now here's some Eddie Crocker whipped buttercream. Yeah, that's the first time I ever had this buttercream. Pretty good. So there you have it. The cinnamon swirl. You could eat the bread just by itself, which I frequently do. See if we can get it back in the package. There. And I don't normally use these things. I take them off, and that's it. I use a regular kind of item that you might find that with a spring load to it, you just snap it and it goes around and you let go and it locks on. On this, a little bit different. So there, I think we got it. Yeah. So we got the hatches all battened down, and there it is. We've had three items that we tried it with. Or as I said, you can try it by itself. Pepperidge Farms cinnamon swirl bread.